on as well, or not?
Okay, everybody. So that's a wrap. Thank you so much for all your hard work and commitment to making today a huge success. We really just want to spend the next few minutes saying thank you to several people. Firstly, to all the buyers from the USA and Canada who've given their time today. I know that you're in the middle of your festive season between Thanksgiving and Christmas, and that many of you were at USTOA last week, so had time out of the office. So we're really grateful to you for giving up the time today to come and meet with our suppliers from the three Balkan countries that make up essential Balkans. It means a lot to us, and I know it means a lot to them. And actually, we've been getting some really positive comments coming through, both on LinkedIn and people messaging us. Tina, do you want to just run through some of those messages that you've
Yes, I mean, I was, as you know, I was running those presentations for the day, and I was all in constant communication with our suppliers and buyers. Surely, we have a couple of no-shows, and people were rearranging these connections for tomorrow. We had some naughty suppliers even not showing, but this is also being taken care of by our very superior backstage team. But most replies that we get was extremely positive. We got everything from Romanian DMC saying that they have really quality connections. The tourist boards were also quite happy, saying that they had the good meetings, and they managed to establish connections with some other people who didn't have time to meet them. That's also the beauty of the virtual event. I mean, we always say that virtual event is not the way forward. We want live events, but on the other way, the virtual event also allow you to extend this connection beyond the borders of just the day we are meeting here today. But some things were, some comments, actually the best one that I got came from across the pond, from the United States. Some very emotional ones. Person who is trying to bring Montenegro, for example, to the United States, and he operates there and starting business. He said that it was so great to see his country being put on such a big stage, and that he got really quality meetings today. There were some DMCs coming back to us and just saying how privileged they felt that they were not DMC, sorry, agents from the USA, saying how privileged they felt and how blessed they were that they were with us today, and the quality of suppliers was really good. And some of them who are just the startups at the moment also saying that they want to do more of this, and they are happy to participate, even though some of them had to wake up extremely early today to do the meetings. So yeah, that's a quick report. And if I'm not wrong, Karen from ETOA just sent us a message that we have almost 2,000 meetings altogether in 2 days. So today and meet tomorrow, which you'll speak more about now, Robert, I believe there's almost 2,000 meetings, which is quite a significant number, isn't it?
It's impressive, and it really does go to show that the interest in our region is growing, and the knowledge is spreading, and that's a great result to come out of today, as well as all the meetings. As you mentioned, that the team at ETOA have been working tirelessly behind the scenes to make sure that this is a seamless event. We want to say a huge thank you to Aaron, Karen, Christian, and all the team that's pulled this together and made it a successful day. Thanks also to Tom Jenkins from ETOA, who turned up earlier today to open our event. We're really grateful to you, Tom, for lending your weight to what we're doing here. All that remains really is to say thank you to all the suppliers who gave their time today, and we'll be back again tomorrow. I know for you guys in Romania, it was a very early start and a very long day, but it was for everybody as well across the board. Just a quick word about tomorrow. Tina, do you want to pick that one up?
Yeah, I mean, maybe I would even want our backstage team to come live if they can, Aaron, and just to see who they are. If they can do this, I'm sure they can. But if they can't, I would just like to say, yes, it's an early start tomorrow. besides the 3 countries part of the Essential Balkans program, so Romania, Serbia, and Montenegro, the project sponsored by ETC and those 3 countries and the incoming Romania Association. From tomorrow, the whole day, you will have partners from other countries as well joining from other destinations that we have there. Hey, hi, Aaron. Hey, and as well as buyers from across the pond. And Aaron, you were just putting on more and more meetings today, weren't you? Because typically for Balkans, we got a lot of late arrivals to the event. Can you hear me, Aaron? Yeah, here you are. Oh, we can't hear you. We can't hear you. It's probably my
Just
computer.
a thumbs up will do fine, Aaron. Yeah. Thank you.
They have to work hard. They're not allowed to speak. Anyway, yes, the team worked very hard in order to get more meetings in. So make sure, everybody, that you check the meetings again tomorrow. And that's it, isn't it?
Well, except to say, if you're a buyer and you only registered today, but you do want to meet with, and you've been inspired by what you've heard today and seen today, and you want to meet with suppliers from other countries in our region, it's not too late. Aaron will be up until 3 a.m. this morning, making sure that if you want to have some appointments, that will happen. So thank you, Aaron, and thanks everybody once again for joining us today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.